just finished working on a 2018 Ram ProMaster. Did the paint protection film using the 3M Scotchgard Pro, and the areas that we covered are the entire front bumper, which was all custom made because these panels are painted instead of the traditional black plastic. Also did the entire hood, entire fenders, the fender flares and faces of the mirrors. On the sides for wear, we did the door cups on all the doors going all the way around, and for entering and exiting the vehicle we have the scuff areas on the steps and also inside the door wells covered as well.